Morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Shaurya, I think we should wait for others to join.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Shaurya, meanwhile, beta, just send the exercises of the book. Today we are supposed to we're supposed to do the exercises of the chapter we finished yesterday. Right?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Don't make a PDF, just send loose images on group because I'm not having my French book right now.
Okay, ma'am.
You're in which section?
Ma'am, B.
Okay, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Sent, beta. Okay. Athar? Athar, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Beta, we are going to do exercises of the chapter we completed yesterday. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Take out your book. Shaurya, beta, have you sent?
Ma'am, nobody has joined the class.
Only two of you are there. We should begin. I don't know if they'll be joining or not.
Okay, ma'am.
I will once again drop the message. Join your French class. See. Shaurya Patel, I think, is not here. Shaurya, are you here? He doesn't seem to be here. Athar, what you will do is, beta, send picture of the exercises in the book. Just send in your class group, just lose image, okay? Don't make PDF.
Okay, ma'am. I'm sending. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Ma'am, what we will do today?
Beta, we will do exercises today. Take out your book.
Ma'am, I've taken out the notebook and book both.
Okay, read out the first question. The first exercise that is given, read out the first question.
Okay, ma'am. 1 minute. Yes, sir. Trouve la questions et la réponse. Find the question and answer as given in the example.
So what is the example given?
QSCQS test. Test on libre.
For this, I'm waiting for Atharv to send me the picture of this exercise. Atharv, beta, are you done? Atharv Gupta. What is it written? C'est un livre and qu'est-ce que c'est? This is what is written, Shatak.
Ma'am, I'm done now.
Beta, just send me this page. Send me one page. Let's begin doing. Sent? Good. Okay. See, the first one is given. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Now you have to say what it is. So they have answered it. C'est un livre, right? Qu'est-ce que c'est un livre. And in the plural form, the question remains the same. The answer is going to be ce sont des. C'est un or c'est une changes to ce sont des. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you also have to do in the same way. You have to frame question also, and then you have to give the answer also yourself. Fine? Do this exercise. What will be the answer of the second, of the first question? Tell me the answer, Atharv Gupta, Shatakshi.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes.
the question will be QS the QS.
Listen, beta, we
The
don't
song
say,
say.
Shatakshi, we don't say QS, we say qu'est-ce que c'est. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Okay, ma'am.
What is the question?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Yes. And what is the
Qu'est-ce que
answer?
c'est?
Very good. Answer?
The song, ma'am, c'est song de fleurs.
Very nice. Ce sont des fleurs. Write it down. This way, complete all these pictures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are given. 5 minutes for this work, then I'm going to discuss the answers. Is that fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Atharv, beta, why are you not replying? Atharv Gupta and Shaurya Patel. Any doubt, any problem?
Ma'am, what we will say QUIEST.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. I'm done.
Done? All 8?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the?
Yes, ma'am. I'm not done. I'm doing.
Okay, beta, okay, do. I'll wait for you. Don't worry. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Okay. What is? Atharv, have you done the second one? Yes or no? I don't know the page number. It is not clear. What is the page number, Shatakshi? 53. Yes.
Ma'am,
53, exercise 1. Page number 53, exercise 1. For the first picture that is given,
it's a flat.
what? What are you saying?
Ma'am, it was flat. It was flat.
So they've made 4 flowers. So what question are we going to put for flowers? What will be the question?
Yes, Kase.
Atharv. Atharv, you're not replying. Okay. The question. Yes. The question.
Ma'am, I'm doing this first question.
You're on the first one only till now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do one thing. While we are discussing, you can do it. Okay. The first question is going to be qu'est-ce que c'est? What will be the answer, Shatakshi?
Ce sont des fleurs.
Ce sont des Fleur. Very good. What will be the question for the second one? Yes, tell me the question for second one. Shatakshi, you are only there who is replying. So don't mute yourself.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. And yes.
Kiesa, very good. Kiesa. Kiesa means who is this? Who? Then its answer would be, what have you written the answer?
Says a gaga.
Say.
Ma'am says a gaga.
Okay. C'est un, we call it. C'est un garçon.
Garçon. C'est un garçon.
Very good. What will be the question for the third one?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Ma'am, it will be yes.
No, for third one. For third one, it is going to be qui est. Qui est. So what have you written?
Kate or Phil.
All are girls, but I can see 3 people. Yes, Shatakshi, in the picture, I can see 3 girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So, Phil.
The answer is going to be in plural. If there is more than one person, the answer is going to be in plural. And what will the answer be?
Ma'am, it will be Saison Phil.
Saison and indefinite article in between. Why are you missing?
U-N-E.
Why U-N-E? U-N-E stands only for one girl. We have 3 girls. So when we change un into plural, what it becomes? Ce sont des.
Ma'am, they?
Yes. Ce sont des 3. Okay. Ce sont des filles. All right. Now, Atharv Gupta. Beta, are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am, I have done this first.
You have done all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. For the next picture where cycle is made, Atharv, what question will come? Yes, what will be the answer? Oh, sorry, what will be the question? Atharv? Okay, Shatakshi, you tell.
Okay, ma'am. Qu'est-ce que c'est will be the question and the answer is Ket or willow.
Not ketan, setan. It will be setan velo. Now, let me shift my laptop here. Again, qu'est-ce que c'est? You want me to write it or you will do it yourself? Now you have seen how to write qu'est-ce que c'est and qui est ça? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
C'est un vélo. Correct. Then the next one. Qu'est-ce que c'est?
It will be Qu'est-ce que c'est will be the question and the answer will be Chanson de balloon.
Very nice. Ce sont des ballons. Ballons. Then the next one. Where Sachin Tendulkar is.
Ma'am, it will be question will be KS and answer will be Ket Sachin Tendulkar.
Very nice. Say Sachin Tendulkar. No article in between. Very good. Next.
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Question will be this and answer sit on. Ma'am, I don't know what we say bag.
A school bag is called karta. C-A-R-T-A. Sit on karta.
Okay, ma'am.
Then next.
Qu'est-ce que c'est will be the question and answer set or Avion.
Very good. C'est un avion. C'est un avion. This is how we'll speak it. C'est un avion. Now, moving on to the next exercise. Complétez en utilisant les autocollants. That is, complete by using the stickers. This, Shatakshi, you have already done. What about you, Atharv Gupta?
Yes. I have also done this.
Okay, then let's move on to the next one. The next exercise says, écoutez les réponses et cochez la bonne question. Now, this exercise is based actually on language lab. So we are going to drop it, skip this exercise. The fourth one, both of you just match them yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm doing.
Yes, 2 minutes. It will be quickly done.
I'm done.
All right, good.
Ma'am, I also done.
The first one matches to the first.
Ma'am, first one matches to the C. Ma'am, C option.
C option. Yes, very good. Second, professor.
Ma'am, it will be from E. Ma'am, the blackboard.
Very nice. Third one.
Ma'am, it will be B. Mango.
C option. Fourth one.
Ma'am, it will be from A. Bag.
A. And the fifth one to D.
Ma'am, D. Mahatma Gandhi.
Very nice. Very good. Now, the fifth one is mettez les phrases en ordre. That is, you have to put the following sentence in order. Yes? Gives cow milk. What is the correct order?
And cow gives milk.
Yes. So, in this way, you have to frame these sentences. Reframe. Unjumble them. But you...
I know all.
Very good. You know all. Very nice. But you have to do this exercise in your copy. Okay, take out your French copies and do in them. Children, when are you planning to join the school from?
Ma'am, in the end of November. Ma'am, as there are some cases in Mahanagar.
Okay. And what about you, Athar Gupta?
Ma'am, I was coming today, but I missed the bus.
Oh, that's very sad. Chalo,
I will be
hope to see you tomorrow in school. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Good.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the fifth exercise, first part, second word which starts from E, how we will pronounce that?
Fifth exercise, second sentence.
No, my first sentence, second word which starts from E.
Okay, that is called étudiant. Étudiant.
Okay. Ma'am, I am done. Ma'am, you are muted. Are you saying something?
Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
What about you, Atharv? Atharv is not replying.
Ma'am, not done till now.
How many have you done, beta? You?
Ma'am, 4.
Okay, only the last one is left. I'll wait for you. Do it. Your classes, online classes, get over by 1:40. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is your last period.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm done.
Done. Okay. What is the first sentence? Atharv will tell. What is the answer of the first?
Ma'am, first sentence is say saw this student.
Very nice. Ce sont des étudiantes. Good. Second one, Shatakshi.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it is qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Very good. Third one, Atharv.
Ma'am, this is QE.
Qui? No. Qui es? Beta QUIESCE. Qui es? See, it is going to be this on the board. Can you see? The second one, qui es? It is going to be this. Okay? We call it qui es.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Then fourth one, Shatakshi.
Okay, ma'am. Get on keys.
C'est une chaise. It's une, U-N-E. Right? C'est une chaise. Then fifth one, Atharv.
Ma'am, says on this. Ma'am, what is this? CAHIER.
Cahier. It is cahier. What is cahier?
Ma'am, I think it's chair.
No. Chair is chaise. The previous one, c'est une chaise. Chaise is a chair. What is a cahier? Cahier is a notebook, a copy in which you write. That's a cahier. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Then moving on to the next exercise. We still have time left. Okay, this is a very interesting exercise. Now, a few statements are given to you. Okay, this is a pen and you have to frame a question. So what are you going to frame? If I tell you a statement, this is a pen, what will the question be? Yes, tell.
Ma'am, it will be qu'est-ce que c'est?
What is this? Yes, it is going to be qu'est-ce que c'est? Yes. So these different statements, according to the statements, you have to frame questions. This exercise again, beta, you're supposed to do in your copy. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Start doing it. And be careful when you frame a question. Just be careful that what the statement is. If it is for human beings, don't put the question qu'est-ce que c'est. Only for
Ma'am, it will be yes.
Yeah, yes. Only for animals, birds, and objects, non-living things, we say qu'est-ce que c'est. Shivesh, beta, you have entered the class and you have not even said anything till now. Are you there, Shivesh? Shaurya Patel has suddenly stopped speaking only. What is wrong, Shaurya Patel? Still not joined. Okay, how many have you done, children?
Ma'am, 5.
5. Let's discuss these many first because the class is about to get over. Okay? What is
Okay, ma'am.
for the first one? When the statement is c'est un garçon.
Ma'am, can I?
Steel.
Very-
Steel.
Qui
Ma'am,
est?
yes.
Qui est? Okay? Qui est? Then what is the question for the second one? Shatakshi.
Ma'am, qu'est-ce que c'est? Ma'am, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Okay. What is bouteille d'eau?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, tell.
Water bottle.
Ma'am, bottle of water.
Very,
Ma'am, bottle of water.
very good. Then the third one. Athar Gupta. What is the question for the third one? Athar.
Ma'am, I don't know.
Ma'am, can I?
When the statement is c'est une boîte repas, Shatakshi, what is the question?
Ma'am, it will be qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Very good. What is boîte repas? That is
Ma'am, a lunch box.
yes, a meal box, a lunch box. Okay. The fourth one, c'est un chien.
Ma'am, I don't know what is chien.
Chien is a dog. A dog in French is chien. C'est un chien.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, so it will be qui est?
Why? Dog is a human being.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, in our book, in the note, it was written that animals and birds, it's qui est.
It is qu'est-ce que c'est? Where it is written? Show me.
Okay, ma'am, it's written qu'est-ce que.
It's qu'est-ce que c'est? So, c'est un chien. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est un chien. Then the fifth one, ce sont des filles. Ce sont des filles.
Ma'am, it will be qui est.
Qui est? Very good. Athar, is it clear to you, beta? Athar Gupta. Okay, Shatakshi, beta, you continue. Try to complete it.
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Of the next one, for sure, tell.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be qu'est-ce que c'est.
Ce sont des filles. Qu'est-ce que c'est? Very good. Then, sixth one. C'est un oiseau. C'est un oiseau.
Ma'am, qu'est-ce que c'est?
Qu'est-ce que c'est? Very good. Oiseau. What is oiseau? It is a bird. Then, the seventh one. Ce sont des lions. Ce sont des lions.
And the seventh one is also
Okay.
qu'est-ce que c'est?
Then the the last one. C'est un ami.
Ma'am, qui est?
Yes. C'est un ami means this is a friend. Who is this?
Ma'am, friend.
This is a friend.
Friend.
Now continue doing it better. Try to finish it in this class only. Okay, try to finish your work. Then I'll end the meeting.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, completed all of them in your copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, what about you, Athar Gupta? What?
Ma'am, only 5 left.
Only 5 left. Okay, but you have understood the concept now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, do it better. Keep doing your work. Shatakshi, you can post the work on class group also.